Just let me say this really quick. I forgot to put lower lash mascara on, so in the intro and the outro look crazy because I forgot, but whatever. But it's here now. But yeah.
I don't wanna calm down, and I love it, I love it. These butterflies, yeah, I love it, I love it. I'm on a high, yeah, I love it, I love it. And I just wanna love on you.
Hey guys, what the hell is this? But hey, what's poppin'? Okay, hi. My name's Kayla. If you don't know me, if you know me, what's good, girl? What's good? So today I created this look using the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I just pulled my hair by the Morphe and JACLYN Hill collection, the Vault collection. So if you watched my previous video, I used the Dark Magic palette, and I told you guys that I'm gonna be doing like a series using all four products, all four palettes. So this is the second one I'm doing. Hopefully the next one will be up next week. Anyways, let me just not. I was inspired by Drea Drea Makeup, Drea, this girl. I have her Instagram link down below. I mean her YouTube video link down below, the one I was inspired by. If you click this video, you should just like it. If you don't like it, comment, tell me why you don't like it. But you should like it because we got plans, girl. Don't forget to subscribe so that way you can like keep on track, like, you know, with my uploads and stuff. I'm trying to be as consistent as I can be. Yeah. See you on my social media accounts: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. Everything's linked down below. You know what to do. Keep watching. Hey guys, so we're gonna jump right into it. So we're gonna be using the JACLYN Morphe Armed and Gorgeous palette. It looks like this. This is part 2 of my like JACLYN Hill Morphe Vault collection. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it. So I already did my face because I'm just here for the eye tutorial. Okay, so today's look that I'm gonna be doing is inspired by Drea D-R-E-A Makeup here on YouTube. She did like a fall glam with this, not with this palette, I don't think, but it's like similar colors, and I was like, oh, I want to do it. So I'm gonna like, I'm not gonna do like the exact, but I'm like inspired. I don't know, we'll just see how it goes. First, before I get into shadows, I'm going to use the Master Concealer by Maybelline, the camouflaging concealer in the shade light medium. It's super light. I haven't used it in a while, so I'm gonna shake it. Sounds weird. I'm just going to put a little drop on the back of my hand like that. I'm gonna take this Morphe M517 brush to blend the concealer out on my lids. And I'm gonna like try to blend it up so it goes into like the brow color. I was about to mess my makeup. I was literally about to drag the concealer all the way out, but like onto my face, but I'm gonna try to save that. I'm not gonna set my eyeshadow. I'm gonna just go straight into it with my first color. The first color I'm gonna use is Agent, which is right here. I'm just take this on a Morphe E23, pack a lot on there, and just go into town. I feel like I need to, I feel like I need to turn it a little. Okay. I hope I'm centered in the camera. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E22 brush and take the shade Secure, which is right here. And I'm gonna also pack this on. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe RG18 brush. I'm gonna take the shade Smooth Criminal, put this, focusing it on the outer V. I'm gonna take a little bit of the first shade we used, which was Agent, put a little bit on the first blending brush I used and just blend that out. I think I want to deepen up the outer corner even more. I'm going to use the shade Prowl, which is this dark chocolate brown. Use this dark chocolate brown. Really focus this on the outer corner. And I'm using the Morphe Morphe 560 brush. And I'm kind of like drawing a line. Not going past the crease. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush, which is the Morphe N412, and I'm just gonna blend that slightly upwards, but not really, just more so like doing circular motions while I'm in the crease. Now I'm going to take my, I'm gonna take a concealer brush. This is a Mary Kay brush, I think. This is a Mary Kay concealer brush. And it's just like a flat little thing like that. I'm going to cut my crease. Do I want to cut it all the way? No, I'm not gonna cut it all the way. I think I'm gonna cut it halfway. I'm gonna use my same concealer, my Maybelline Camouflage Concealer, and I'm going to take a little, or try to take a little, because it's heavy. And I like to cut my crease while my eye is open. That way I know you can see it, you know? I'm trying to stop at like the middle of my arch. Kinda, if that makes sense. Cutting my crease still like stresses me out. It just really stresses me out. So I don't want to mess up. So now, while my eye is like that, I'm gonna take a flat shader brush. I'm gonna take, this came in my Naked, my Urban Decay palette, electric palette. And it's just like a shader brush. I'm gonna take the color Access, and I'm gonna pack Access all over the lid. I'm doing patting motions to really pack it on there. This may take a little time because you really want to like take your time to like pack the eyeshadow on there. I'm gonna just take a blending brush that really doesn't have anything on it. This is a crease brush by Moda Pro. It was probably in my like BoxyCharm or something. See where these two colors meet? I'm gonna blend it out a little. I'm gonna actually take the shade Smooth Criminal to blend that out just a little bit. Just a little. And it doesn't need to be precise, guys. At all. And adding Smooth Criminal here will just like soften up so it's not like bam orange, bam brown, you know? It's gonna give it a little gradient effect, like so. And I also chose to use Smooth Criminal because it's darker than Prowl. It's lighter than Prowl. Prowl is like a deep chocolate, whereas Smooth Criminal is more like warmer, milkier, and it's a little lighter. In Drea's video, she used a lash glue as an adhesive for her glitter that she used. I'm gonna take this color Coin and put it in my, where the line is for the cut. Where I cut my crease at, I'm gonna put that there. I saw this technique, I never tried it before. So what she did was take her lash glue, oh my gosh, I hope I don't mess up. She took her lash glue and put it, just draw your line. I want the glitter like that. And she says act fast because you know it's lash glue so it dries. So I'm taking coin on the skinny liner brush like this. I'm just going to draw or stamp the glitter, the shadow on top of that. Like that. I was all nervous. Oh, it's like a little bug. Like a gnat. Now I'm going to take the super little tiny Morphe M15 brush. I'm going to take the color VIP. It's the first color in the palette. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Like so. So I just popped them. I can be a producer. Whew, why am I out of breath? Okay, so I just popped on some I just popped on some lashes. I'm wearing the Lily lashes in the style Miami. I take the shade Prowl on my definer brush and tight line my lower lash line. So it's that dark chocolate color. And I'm gonna tight line my lower lash line. Just by stamping it on there. I'm gonna take this Morphe E18 brush and I'm going to take the shade Smooth Criminal. And I'm going to just blend this color out a little. Now I'm going to take an even smaller little pencil brush thing, the E36 by Morphe, and I'm going to take the shade Agent. I'm going to take the shade Agent and also blend that on the bottom. But I want to make sure it's still dark right on the waterline, so I'm going to go back in on my definer brush with Prowl and really re-stamp that on the lash line. An even smaller one is the M515 by Morphe. I'm going to take VIP, the shade I use for my brow bone, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner for my highlight. I just love an inner corner highlight, man. Great. It's freaking great. I'm going to start over. Line our lips with a brown lip liner. I'm going to take the MAC lipstick in the shade Try Again. It's with the MAC Aaliyah collection. I'm going to take the Literally Gloss by Kylie. I've been loving this. And I'm going to put this all over. Like that. I've been loving nude lips lately. I don't know what's gotten into me. Okay guys, that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I like how it came out. I like filming with you guys and like just creating an eye, well, I was inspired. But like I just like doing an eye look with you guys without knowing exactly what I want to do, because then it's like we're like doing it together, like figuring out together. I don't know. If you do like it, you should definitely thumbs it up. Y'all, I'm really like, I got plans. Like you clicking the like button really like will help me out, and I appreciate you. I want to do this like full time. Like this is my dream, my goals. So like I'm really trying my best. So I hope you guys appreciate it. And yeah, also subscribe so you stay on this journey with me. I want to see where we go, this whole YouTube thing. I'm really trying to like take it off the ground and like go, you know? So you should Come along with me. Tell me what videos you want to see. And yeah, and I hope you don't mind my hair. It's a little humid outside, so this is what we're working with. But I'm trying not to put it up. I've been putting my hair up, and I'm trying to like not thumbs this video up, subscribe, comment down something, just say hi. Just let me know that you're watching. If you say hi, literally if you comment saying hi. Alright, so I'll see you next week. You ever be feeling yourself and you just be like, oh, oh. Instagram say hi. Cause guys, alright, love you.